Let's go ahead and add a new property here. So we're going to say private and then final and then string. This will be email. So I'm going to add this to constructor just like that. And it says that we can actually refactor. So what I'm going to do is, so let me click on that. So the default value will be email and then at, and then let's say gmail.com. So refactor, and there we go. Put this on a new line, and then we're going to have to recreate this. I'm going to say get email. There we go. So that this is sent to the client and to, and then string. Select all of those, and there we go. So basically, if I open up project and then open up the fake repository, so in here, so this gives me email@gmail.com. That's the default value that I added. Now we can do something really nice with these annotations, and that is, you see that in here we have @not_blank, and basically we can say that, right, so here we want this to be not and then blank, and we also want this to be at and then email. So you see that we perform email validation just with this annotation. So instead of having our custom email validator, we could actually have this annotation doing the email validation for us. So if I restart the server and then open a Postman, so here I'm going to send the request. You can see that it's 400, and let's add the email. So email, this will be hello. So let's just try and send hello. So I'm going to send. You can see that this is still bad request because this is not a valid email. But if I say at and then amigosco.com, send, and you can see that this works. So for example, if I remove dot from there, send, this technically it's a valid email, but it depends how you consider what is a valid email. So yeah, so .com, or actually let me just remove the at, so you can see that this will fail, right? So there we go. So you can see that we can use this annotation to validate the email. Now you might want to use this or you might not, depending on the actual validation that you want. And for example, if you have, so you saw that .com, so actually if we remove the dot, you can see that this works, right? So send, this works. So what we can do is inside we can actually pass the regular expression for our email, right? So you can see that we have a regex, and basically you can have your own email regular expression, and basically you can prevent the dot right here. So if the client doesn't provide something ending in dot and then the domain, then you might want to fail that.